Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already imported your footage, so start by selecting the clip in the timeline and move the playhead to where the zoom begins. Once done, click the cropping button above the preview to reveal crop to fill and Ken Burns. Use crop to fill for a static zoom into a specific area, or choose Ken Burns to animate from one frame to another. Make sure the preview shows the full frame before you set the start point so your final zoom stays sharp. Now define how much and how long the zoom will be. If you chose crop to fill, drag the corner handles to set the final zoomed frame, then click the blue check to apply. If you need a moving zoom, select Ken Burns and adjust the green start and red end frames until the motion feels right. Once set, trim the clip or split it at points before and after the zoom so the effect's duration matches the intended pacing. Preview and tweak until smooth. Finish by playing the clip at full resolution to confirm the zoom looks natural. Make sure to render or wait for background processing if playback is choppy. If the image appears soft or pixelated, undo some zoom or swap to a higher resolution clip because zooming magnifies footage. Once satisfied, add transitions before and after the clip for smoother cuts, and consider applying stabilization if the camera moved. If something goes wrong, revert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.